My name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of stock index futures. We'll start with the UK FTSE futures. A fourth bullish white soldier yesterday, and also interestingly a third indecisive spinning top. I suppose even this was still good for those bulls out there, because we have closed for a third time also over both the short moving average, currently at 65.89, and the short medium moving average, currently 65.78. The top of the market was capped, unsurprisingly, by the 2021 downtrend, currently at 66.71, and now a three-pointer as well, with a little help from the lesser Fibonacci level at 66.84. Now, you all know that I have pointed out the hint, just a hint mind you, that we may have a head and shoulders top action building up from over November 2020 to date. Well, something else may be forming as well, or rather two something else's. We may possibly have, let's call it, a descending triangle, based below on the proposed neckline of the head and shoulders top, currently at 63.47, and on top by the 2021 downtrend. Additionally, or instead of, we may have a shorter term sideways triangle, with the downtrend again on top, and now a new late January to date uptrend, currently at 64.65. That's sitting below. These are patterns that are still in formation, and I thought you'd like to know. So far today, a lower opening below both the short and short medium moving averages, but then a move back up towards the downtrend and the chance for a possible key reversal up today. Maybe. German DAX futures. A lower, yet still bullish, white soldier yesterday. The market seems to still be having issues with the recent high, quite near to the GAN number at 14,193, though to be honest, I am not that enamoured with that GAN number myself. The reasons for the close proximity to the high can be linked to the somewhat disappointing action last Friday, and the break higher on Monday over all three nearby supports or resistances, however you want to call them, and they were the important rising neckline, currently at 13,922, of the ragged late September 2020 to date reverse head and shoulders pattern, the February 2020 high at 13,821, and the short stroke medium moving average, currently at 13,849. Now, the most important of all these, I suspect, was the then close back up over the ragged neckline. I had at the time to realign my daily chart to better show the action, and what did I find? Only my original target X for the proposed reverse head and shoulders pattern in the 15,520 area. So far today, it seems after a steady week of trying higher, the market is now disappointed at the lack of progress. I can't say that I'm surprised. The market opened lower, right on the neckline, and has widened the range to test the lower short stroke medium moving average below, and the round number at 14,000 overhead, ending up so far, well, not really getting anywhere. Such behaviour may be indicative of a reduction in the bullish incentive, not something the bulls out there would like, especially so close to the all-time high of the market. US E-mini S&P futures. A third bearish black crow yesterday, and a continued follow-on lower to Tuesday's bearish dark cloud cover pattern. Yesterday's action was particularly bearish, as it was the second consecutive close below the short stroke medium moving average, currently at 38.31, and the first close below the important lower time, currently at 39.05, of the late December 2020 to early February 2021 bullish Andrews pitchfork. This was a significant move, and the climb was only halted as the market started to approach the rising medium moving average at 37.09, balking at testing it. Further down we have a lesser Fibonacci level at 36.79 of the recent move, as well as the 2021 low at 36.56. Beyond that, we have the important 50% Fibonacci line of the recent move at 35.92. So far today, another dip lower, not as far as yesterday, not breaking yesterday's low either, but the market once again balked at moving towards testing that medium moving average below. French CAC 40 futures. A bullish white soldier yesterday, but also day 2 in a 2-day bullish meeting lines pattern. Interestingly, it was also the second consecutive close up over the oft highlighted upper bull channel line, currently at 58.14, of the big May 2020 to date broken bull channel. But it was not by much in relative terms. It was also intriguing to see the low of the session supported by the rising short moving average, currently at 57.63. Overall, we are still in between the overhead middle time, currently at 59.88, and the lower time below, currently 57.06, of the December 2020 to January 2021 bullish Andrews pitchfork. We're actually getting quite close once again to the lower time. So far today, the lower opening, below the upper bull channel line, and a drop to test the short moving average once again. Up until now, this has seemingly held and prices have moved back up to almost, well, a little bit over unchanged on the start of the day. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.